all of you. Welcome back to an article a day creates an excellent way, the smart way to enhance your vocabulary and expressive skill. My name is Mrinalini, student of class 12 Kendra Vidyalaya Malkangiri. Here I am going to read out today's article. Here is the article.
India expected to grow at 8.3%, says World Bank, written by Sriram Lakshman. This article has been taken from the official website of The Hindu. The growth rate forecasted for India for 2021 to 2022, the World Bank is an upward revision from its January forecast of 5.4%. India's economy is expected to grow at 8.3% for fiscal year 2021 to 2022 as per the World Bank latest projections. This rate, however, masks the damage caused by the enormous second wave of COVID-19. The bank said in its June 2021 Global Economic Prospects release on Tuesday, the world economy is expected to expand 5.6%, the fastest post-recession growth rate in 80 years. But global output will still be 2% below pre-pandemic projections by year-end. The growth rate forecasted for India for 2021 to 2022, the World Bank is an upward revision from its January forecast of 5.4%. However, this revision masks significant expected economic damage from an enormous second COVID-19 wave and localized mobility restrictions since March 2021. The report says adding the activity will follow the same but less pronounced collapse and recovery seen in last year's COVID wave. Activity will benefit from policy support, including higher spending on infrastructure, rural development, and health, and stronger than expected recovery in services and manufacturing, the report says. For FY 2022 to 2023, growth is expected to slow to 7.5% as a result of the pandemic lingering effects on the balance sheets of households, companies, and banks, and possibly low levels of consumer confidence and heightened uncertainty around job and incomes. For India, the massive COVID-19 wave have undermined the sharper than expected rebound in activity for the second half of FY 2020 to 2021, particularly in services, according to the bank. Since March, foot traffic around retail space and slowed to below a third of what it was in pre-pandemic times. For the world as a whole, loss to per capita income will not be reversed by 2022 for some two-thirds of emerging market and developing economies. The bank said low-income countries that have lagged in vaccinations have witnessed a reversal in poverty reduction, with the pandemic exacerbating insecurity and other long-standing challenges. While there are welcome signs of global recovery, the pandemic continues to inflict poverty and inequality on people in developing countries around the world. World Bank Group President David Malpass said in the press statement, globally coordinated efforts are essential to accelerate vaccine distribution and debt relief, particularly for low-income countries. As the health crisis eases, policymakers will need to address the pandemic lasting effect and take steps to spur green, resilient, inclusive growth while safeguarding macroeconomic stability, he said. The special word have been chosen from the current article are fiscal, enormous, prospect, lingering, undermine, per capita, exacerbating, and resilient. Fiscal, relating to government revenue, especially taxes, enormous, very high in size, quantity, or extent. Prospect, chances or opportunities for success or wealth, or the possibility or likelihood of some future event occurring. Lingering, lasting for long time or slow to end. Undermine, lessen the effectiveness, power, or ability of, especially gradually or insidiously. Per capita, for each person in relation to people taken individually. Exacerbate, make in brackets a problem, bad situation, or negative feeling, worse, resilient of a person or animal able to withstand or recover quickly from difficult conditions. Thank you.